This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by Pam Price and Associates RE/MAX Advantage Realty.
There's a lot happening in the news these days, including big moves in our nation's capital regarding interest rates. The Federal Reserve recently lowered those interest rates by 1/4%.
So how big of a deal is this? Can it cause a ripple effect that affects our mortgage payments or the real estate market? Well, it's time to find out. And we are joined by Pam Price of Pam Price and Associates RE/MAX Advantage Realty, who's here to explain more. Pam, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
All right, it does sound like a big deal. What does this interest rate cut mean for home buyers?
We haven't seen a huge, I feel like they're always ahead of it. So the rates we see now were based off the cut coming. So it's never instant gratification, we'll say.
Mm-hmm.
So they are in the low sixes. So, it's progress from where we were a year ago or, gosh, 6 months ago, really.
Right.
So it's definitely huge too. You can, on average, a $275,000 to $300,000 house, you're looking at about a $2,000 payment right now.
Mm-hmm.
And so that you can use to judge depending on, double that if you're looking at the 400 range or whatever. But it as far as change, it hasn't, I feel like it's made the vibe better. And so there's a lot more buyers that are calling and wanting to see stuff. So that's a good thing.
Yeah.
So on the flip side, what does that mean for sellers of homes?
So we have a lot more houses for sale right now than we've had in probably since before 2019. So sellers are seeing their houses sit on the market and they're having to reduce it because of the high payments from the high interest rates. So it'll benefit sellers just because there'll be more people in the market. I still think it's going to take a while for it to affect the sellers at all.
Are there certain types of properties that are affected more than others?
No, I would just say like the biggest thing we see are just houses for sale where that we can, the people are buying houses. The land is always higher interest rates, so that really doesn't change that much as far as people going, oh, well, I'll buy now or whatever. It's really not enough change yet to really see a difference.
Gotcha.
What do you think? Are there going to be more cuts in the near future?
Well, as I sit with 7%, I am certainly praying for it. I definitely think next month is going to be one to watch, just from everything I've read and try to keep up on.
Well, Pam Price, thank you for your insight. I know a lot of people have been waiting for those interest rates to come down before they pull the trigger on a house.
Yes, we are excited.
Yeah.
Progress.
Thank you.